Hey guys, Mark here from Little Kitchen Big Food. Today, we're doing red beans and rice. You ready? Let's go. First thing you do was yesterday, you took 2 pounds of red beans, put them in a bowl, covered them with enough water that they would absorb the water over a 24-hour period. So what we're going to do is we're going to drain these. And we're going to start by placing our ham bone, about 2 pounds, in the pot. Take our beans that we've strained the water out. 2 whole packages of celery that we've chopped really fine. Whole head of garlic and 5 onions chopped. 2 chopped bell peppers. 3 tablespoons of parsley. And 8 bay leaves. Cover this with water.
Oh, hey, yum.
Give it a quick stir. Bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, turn it down to a simmer. And there you go.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So 3 hours later, while it's been simmering, this is what you end up with. You've stirred it several times during this 3-hour period. And now what we're going to do is remove the meat from the soup to let it cool and remove the meat off of the bone. To this, we're going to add fresh ground black pepper, 1 whole stick of butter, 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire, 4 or 5 dabs of Tabasco sauce, and then we add the meat back in. Give that a stir, drop it down to a simmer, put a lid on it, and let it simmer for 1 hour.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Some white rice. And we eat. Guys, I lived in the South for 25 years. Never liked red beans and rice. This is amazing. You need to make this. It's time consuming, but it's not hard. You can make this. What better to go with red beans and rice than barbecue shrimp?
How many shrimps do you have to eat?
We'll see you next week.